Lyft streak bonuses have always been hit and miss for me. There are times where you can get great rides and complete those streaks efficiently, and then there are other times where you can get one ride, one really far away pickup, or one really long ride that can completely ruin the streak. Until now, let's discuss a strategy that I've used to double my streak bonuses. So first off, if I did get lucky in the past, I was actually able to double my streak bonuses, but that was just pure luck. I would start by positioning myself near a downtown area and then start the streak from there, and then hoped that every single ride I got was a good request. I was hoping for short, efficient rides, no faraway requests, no really long rides. And the strategy I'm using now, I have much more control, and I do get a lot of those efficient rides. I'm able to complete 2-3 ride streaks within a 1 hour window consistently. And the strategy I'm using is using Lyft's stay within area filter. With the stay within area filter, you can set a radius, and both the pickup and drop off of that ride will be within that radius. Now for the strategy that I use to double my streak bonuses, what I do is position myself near a downtown area, and then I set the stay within area filter to the minimum amount of 5 miles. And this strategy wasn't something that I actively thought about. It just dawned on me one day. Going into 1 week, I saw that there were streak bonuses available and I wanted to qualify for them, but I knew again that they were hit and miss. So one day I gave the first ride of a streak. Then on the second ride, I didn't get a back-to-back request. I was downtown St. Paul, and on that second ride, I was like, I hope that I don't get a faraway request or a really long ride. And then it dawned on me, why not just turn on the stay within area filter and set it to that radius of 5 miles? And the streak bonuses that I doubled, the pickup window was from $2.15 to $3.15, and they were 3 rides for $9. And here's a look at my rides on Monday of that week. I gave my first ride at $2.10, I attained my first streak bonus at $2.53, and then I started my second streak at $2.53, and since that pickup was in the $2.15 to $3.15 pickup window, that started another streak. And that second streak I completed at $3.37. And here's a look at that Tuesday. I started my first streak at $2.26, got my first streak bonus at $2.55, started my second streak at $3.03, and then got my streak bonus at $3.36. And as you can see here too, as an added bonus, I got really good per ride bonuses on these rides. On one ride alone, I got a bonus of $19.50. And since I was near a downtown area, these per ride bonuses are much more prevalent and lucrative. Alright, so overall for those 2 days, I earned $36 worth of streak bonuses, 4 $9 streak bonuses. Including my per ride bonuses, I made a total of $134.90 over nearly 3 hours. That averages out to $46.50 per hour. And when I include my ride challenge bonuses for that week, my hourly was over $50 per hour. And an added bonus is that my mileage was very low as well. I was giving short and efficient trips. I hope you all utilize this strategy. It gives you much more control over streak bonuses. I was able to pretty easily double mine. And if you have any questions, please leave those below. Thanks again for watching, and drive safe. Thanks.